Here's a quick video detailing the renovations of an attic bedroom here in Washington. We have here is vaulted ceiling in an upstairs 1.5 bedroom house. We have here polyiso insulation between the roof rafters for the slanted slope portion of the ceiling. We have braces here for the ceiling, which we raise about 6 inches to provide a minimum of 7 foot that are required for ceilings. As far as code goes, you are supposed to have at least R30, or you're allowed to have R30 in sloped ceilings like this, right in the state of Washington, where we're at right now in Olympia. They require R49 in the ceilings, which there really isn't enough room in between these rafters because they're 2x6 construction. So what I have here is I have 5 inches of polyiso. Basically, we got 1 inch, or we have 2 or 3 boards. One of them is 1 inch, and then 2 2-inch boards. And what we have is I was able to put a little air gap behind it. You can see right here with I put a little 1/2 inch strips of wood there, so that when your 1 inch polyiso is there, you're going to have a nice little gap. We'll see what it can go here. I'll try to show you a little closer. So right now this is a baffle to have the vents in the ceiling. See if you can see. I'll have to bring a flashlight back later. So here you have it. Alright, well, I'll upload more videos later.